Hi, this is Trang. Welcome to my closet. I'm about to show you guys a package that I just got on my front porch. The story is kind of weird. I purchased something for the first time at Saks Fifth Avenue in New York. And I don't live in New York, so they sent it to me overnight. Let's hope everything goes as planned and whatever I bought is inside. So I've never, like I said before, I never bought anything over the phone, but my Chanel boutique did not have this bag in, and I've been wanting it since 2017. But at the time, I was debating between the Chanel Classic Mini Flap and this one, and I ended up getting the Mini Flap because I thought it's more classic, and in terms of resale value, in the event I ever need to sell the bag, it would retain itself more. So I ended up going with that. But over the years, you know, I couldn't stop thinking about this bag, and here we are today. And I know they found they end up releasing a lot of different editions of the bag, but this one is the one I've been looking for. So when I first saw it, the kind that I wanted was black caviar with the classic quilting, gold hardware. And I let that opportunity pass because, like I said, I bought another Chanel Classic Flap. So I waited for next season and they didn't have it. They have it in the, I believe, chevron pattern, and you know. And then when they did have it, I was too late and somebody had bought the bag, because by then it had become so popular that you have to be on a wait list, and you know. So I didn't get the bag, but here it is. So this is the envelope from Saks. I think it has my receipt in here. Let's see. Let me tell you something about purchasing stuff over the phone. It is so scary, because the whole time I was thinking, I'm giving my credit card information to some random person over the phone. I don't actually know if they work for the store. So what I did was I was forwarded to them from Chanel in my state. But then I also called the actual boutique to see if I could be connected to the same person in the store. That's how paranoid I am. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. My SA gave me her personal phone number. She says thank you very much. So this is the receipt for the bag. So I'll just put that here, and this is some return shipping, but hopefully I love everything and it's in great condition. Oh, alright. So this one comes with a magnetic box, which I like. My previous one did not. It came with the old-fashioned, you know, the one that you pull out. So this is a lot better. Ooh, my Camilla is smushed, but it's okay. Let's see what we got. All right. Okay. So, all right. This package kind of oddly. Usually this should be somewhere in the middle, but it's kind of on the side. Anyhow, after I made the purchase, I got off the phone with my SA, and then I realized, wait, I just paid a whole bunch of money to some random person, got a notification from my bank, but the store didn't give me any type of confirmation number or tracking number for shipment or anything. Like, how did I know that I actually purchased this bag, you know? So I called back to the store and asked them if they have any record of me in the system buying this bag, and the lady who answered the phone didn't say anything. She was just like, oh, well, if you bought the bag on Friday, we'll ship it out Monday. You should get it Wednesday. And this bag, Liz is the sales associate. She's very nice. She ended up overnighting this bag. So I bought it Friday, but Monday is already here. Yay, yay. But anyhow, I was a little bit paranoid there. I called them to see if I can get a tracking number, a confirmation number, any type of number that shows I've made the purchase, you know. But they were unable to give me anything. They said it went through Saks. So if anything, Saks would email me. But I didn't get an email from Saks either. So it's kind of like I went in it blind, you know. I just paid with my credit card. gave it to the SA, and then hope that it arrives and that, you know, I didn't just give my information to some random person, scammer. So let me see this dust bag. Oh, this is I like this a little bit better. It has like a different type of ribbon. It's thicker. It's not that corded drawstring. But overall, I have to say, for the price, the Chanel dust bag really, I don't know. It's just not as, look at this. There's a little string that came off. Anyway, their dust bag quality is very poor for what you're paying for, you know. Like if you compare this to Hermes dust bag, which is very thick and durable, and you can see a lot of quality, versus this dust bag, it looked like something I brought from, I don't know, DSW, or, you know what I'm saying? Like just one of those, I don't know, even DSW handbags. Sometimes if you buy something over $200, they have better quality dust bag than this, which is a shame because this is exponentially more expensive. So, oh, let me show you the tag in case you guys are interested in getting the same thing. I hope it focus. Oh, there you go. And the front of the bag, yeah, is a 19A edition. Coco Chanel handle bag. Ooh, I like it. This is kind of, this gold is not shiny, which I like better than shiny gold, because anything shiny gold, then it can get scratched pretty easily. So, ooh, on first inspection, let's see. Yay. Yeah, it looks to be okay. I don't see any dings or scratches so far. Ugh. I love it already. Okay. I don't even know you, and I love you. This bag I bought pretty much blind because they did not have it in store, so I couldn't even try it on or see what it looked like in real life. I was basically going off of YouTube reviews, you know. And I have mini bags before, so I went off of my love for mini bag. It's so convenient. Let's see. I don't see the authenticity card. I'm thinking they probably end up putting it in the zipper. And I was correct. So here we go. 28 it says. And then, you know, the little Chanel thingy. Alright. I actually don't put my authenticity card with the bag. The reason is that if, okay, let's say I'm walking somewhere and I get robbed, you know. Then whoever robbed me is going to get the bag and the authenticity card, then it makes it easier for them to sell, you know. So if I'm going to get robbed, then I'm going to make it difficult for you to resell my bag. So I don't ever put the authenticity card in the same location as the bag. Alrighty. So that is it. Oh, it smells like leather. Stinky leather, but it's okay. It's very durable. Oh. You know, I almost went to get the lizard handle back when they had it. The only thing is, I didn't like it because the handle was a deep burgundy and the bag was black. So I was like, oh, it looks kind of weird. But the only reason I thought of the lizard handle is because the interior is leather, whereas this one is a fabric interior. I would prefer an all leather bag, but I'd rather have the matching handle. It just looks more classic, you know. Okay, so let's put our new baby and let her join the rest of the bag family, shall we? Let's walk over and let her have her moment. Okay, we are gonna switch her out with this one. Okay. Normally I only keep 3 bags in rotation, so here you are. Welcome to the family. There you are. You can live with the rest of the trio. Alright. Well, I hope you guys enjoy. If you ever end up buying Chanel through the phone from Saks, it is safe. Even though they don't give you a confirmation number or anything, it's okay. I just noticed something. Like, can you guys see this? The bag is sitting on this little pedestal thing. And it has feet, right? But the feet are so far out that it doesn't actually protect the bag. The bag is sitting straight on the leather part, and the feet is hanging, like this feet is not even, where am I? Oh, okay, this feet is not even touching the pedestal. This one is touching it, but you can tell it's doing nothing. So the bag itself is resting on the leather. Dude, Chanel, if you're gonna put feet on something, put it closer. Put it closer to the middle of the base so that it can actually protect the bag, you know, because this is pretty useless right here. However, I do like the overall look. Thank you for giving us an option of a cheaper, essentially, Hermes Kelly bag that we can afford. And the opening is a little bit easier. That's why I got this one. But overall, I love the bag. Great addition. Minor things of the feet, now that I'm looking at it in real life, it's kind of weird, huh? It serves absolutely no purpose at all, but it's okay. All right, bye you guys. You won't see an unboxing for a long time because I'm broke now.